My name is A.S. Kumar. People call me as Ask ASK. You can ask anything, it will be given. That's my normal mantra. ASK stands for attitude, skill, knowledge. If you have the right attitude, you can acquire any of skill and knowledge you want. Attitude leads to altitude. I have come from a very ordinary background. From a village, I studied up to 11 years of my age in village called Shenkota. When I came to Chennai for the middle school, I have not even know one word in English. Elephant, I can't spell. So a lot of people are very advantageous position compared to me. They asked me, what is your mother tongue? I said, Amma Naku. If people who know Tamil, they can laugh at it. They asked me, what is your mother tongue? I said, Amma Naku. I thought I have translated very well, but they all laughed at me. With that background, I came into Chennai with a lot of support from my parents who were here before. I was living with my aunts and aunties and uncles. So I started my career till 10th. I can write entire my history, entire my life lines in one para. I can write that in one para. It's all about spiritual. In the village, I celebrated more than anybody's spiritual gatherings, spiritual melas. That I have not known anything other spiritual melas in villages. So my initial years were with only spiritual melas. No studies, nothing, all play and pray. Play and pray. With that 10th standard, I was one of the last rankers. Chose my path. My life turned 360 degrees in 11th. I'm giving you a small brief, then go into my session. You should understand the background of the person who is speaking to you. 11th, my decision was I asked my mother, tell me which subject they will teach me from the basics. They said there's some subject called accounts and commerce. I took that accounts and commerce. Life changed. I now know that I was born for accounts and commerce. So my life changed and I became from the last ranker to the top, one of the top rankers in 11th and 12th. Now I'm going to share some of the few instances which marked my life. Because whatever I'm going to share with you later is going to have an impact on the whatever upbringing I had. First, I talked about my spiritual celebration. Second, I'm going to talk about my father is one of the top builders in Tamil Nadu. During my school days, say 11th, 12th, he was my first client. In a way, I handle all his finances, accounts, bank, everything. So he gave me an exposure on that. One of the major decisions I took in 11th standard, which turned out to be what I am today, I'll share it with you. Some of things which may resonate in your life also. When you are a speaker, you are going to speak on that. 11th, somebody asked me, you have done very well in 11th. The company, the friends you are going to keep with you will define your life. The friends whom you are going to be surrounded with will define your life. Being a great fanatic fan of MGR, I have never missed a movie of his MGR. In one of the fights with my cousin who is now in US, at the very young age, I said, I will live like MGR. I will not smoke and drink in life. I don't know what way I said that way. Life became like that. I have never touched because of that one reason. 11th, when all friends are talking, chatting, what we are going to do the summer vacation, I said to everybody, I'm going to take the next 3 months or 2.5 months very seriously in life. What I did was 505 pages of Shukla R.L. Gupta book, accounts book. I proofread, edited page by page, found 550 mistakes in that book. I typed and sent to the publisher Kapoor in Delhi. I got a letter and a check. That changed my life. Now I had a head start with many of my friends. I'm going to cut this flashback for a minute. Being a last ranker in 10th and being a topper in 12th, one of the toppers in 12th, I asked my parents, I want to do CA and BCom together. My mother said, you will waste time in the daytime when you don't go to college. I promised her that I will not watch a movie, I will not go to a movie, I will not waste time. I promise you till I finish my CA. If everybody will say CA will take that much years. To my even today's surprise, I finished my CA before 21. Before 21. BCom and CA result came together and I cleared both as a 3 years gold medalist in Laila College, from Laila College, all the 3 years, and CA before 21. That is my career. At 51, at 50, if you can be a last ranker, and 21, you can be a gold medalist and a CA. It can be a miracle, nothing less than a miracle. So I have experienced that in my life, the lowest and the highest. But all requires effort. Nothing comes free. People ask me, how can you be positive in all situations? How can you be positive in every situation? I'm going to share a secret of this with you all. Please be attentive for a minute and then see what can change in your life. During one of the Christmas celebrations, I went to Stanthorpe Church and I saw Jesus in a cross. Everybody said cross. I said it's plus sign. If you can show the death in a positive sign and come back, that's why you come back after 3 days and live in everybody's mind. The Jesus cross became my life principle. You can be positive at any time because he has shown you even in that I can show positive sign, and if I am positive even in that, I will come back to alive in 3 days time and live in everybody's mind. Thank you on that account. So for me, life turned up. Being a chartered accountant at the young age, I took a very firm decisions. One of the firm decisions in my life was not to study too much. Not to study. What is my purpose of goal? What is my goal? I sat down. For just to give you a person, when I went to see my wife for bride scene, I went with this question paper of 17 questions. Don't ask me what are the questions, fully know, but I'll share it with you later. Okay, that's why I'm saying my life is my responsibility. No blaming is allowed is my title I ask for. In every situation I'm going to share with you, my life is my responsibility. No blaming is allowed. From being a chartered accountant, taking a decision not to do 2-3 degrees, which eventually my purpose was I want to be in business, an entrepreneur. Very clear goal. I'm not an academician. I'm not going to acquire degrees. CA was enough for me. So now I cut this flashback for a minute. Come back to March 25th this year. Then you will understand what I am going to tell you. March 24th, right, when Modi said March 25th is going to be a lockdown day and it's going to be as a trial and then it's going to be for a 21 days, all that. I sat and thought about it, said that My habits are going to be formed in 21 days. Remember, any habit formation will happen in 21 days. If you consistently do 21 days, habit will be formed. This is my habit tracker. I'm showing you all. Watch it. This is my habit tracker. I will share this picture with you later. This is my last month habit tracker. This is my previous month habit tracker. I will share with you a little later on that. Anything you do 21 days, it becomes a habit. If you do it for 48 days, it becomes reinstalled. 90 days if you continue it, you cannot remove that from your DNA. If you want anything to become your nature, do it for 90 days. Life will nobody can take it out of you. 21 days is the first number I always follow. Then 48 days, then 90 days. This is my number. You can change your number if you want. But my number is, these are the orders I go through it. People ask me, what is good habit, what is bad habit? Anything easy to start, difficult to give up is a bad habit. Anything difficult to start, easy to give up is a good habit. Simple definition for me. If I find it difficult to give up, it's a bad habit. Coffee, tea or anything, smoke, anything. Any habit which is easy to start, difficult to give up is a, that's why I always say to my friends, any good habit you want to start, don't declare to anybody for 21 days. Because there are enough friends who are so-called friends who wants to change you, not to allow you to follow that. March 25th, I wrote a letters to all my WhatsApp friends that in this next 21 days, next 3 weeks of lockdown period, I'm not going to do 3 things. I'm going to do 3 things. 1, I will not watch a movie. 2, I will not on TV. 3, I will not post anything on the virus. From my WhatsApp or from my mobile or from my mouth, I will not spread virus. These are the decisions I took. Life became beautiful. I got all my time back. What are the 3 things I will do it? I will connect with myself more. I will connect with my fellow human beings more. 3, I will connect with Him, the God, more. For that, I created habit tracker. For my health, I will do pranayama, Surya Namaskaram, meditation. For connecting with people, I will call on their birthday. How many people I have, I will call them on the birthday and wish. Wedding day, I will wish. And then I will do prayer and meditation to connect with my soul, with my divine. Okay. So what happened? I created a pattern of, during the period of March 25th till today, life has changed dramatically. I go back to the days of my schools where I changed my life, how I studied during this period. I said, my life is my responsibility, no blaming is allowed. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions. Before I want to be a little more interactive. Those who are answering, if there is no sound in your house, please keep it unmuted. If you have sound in your house, mute, unmute, mute, unmute. That's the only thing you have to do. If I ask you, you are an excellent rule follower. You are going in the right path, in the road, in the right direction. You are driving the car. Opposite, somebody is coming in a lorry, in the wrong direction. What will you do? You are going right. There is no wrong in your step. You are going in your bike or in your car. He is coming opposite direction. What will you do?
Make way for him.
Avoid him.
You avoid him. Correct?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Definitely, we try to avoid the him also avoid the accident, probable accident.
Very good, excellent. Because okay, Varadarajan, please.
I will avoid him first of all to save myself, then chase him, cut him and stop him to say that you are wrong. I will not leave him there.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. If it is happening second time, what you will do? It's different vehicle, same road.
The same thing we will have to
Same
repeat.
thing applies. 10th time, it's happening in your 10 days.
Avoid
I
traveling
will
in that
find
road
out what
itself.
actually makes
We'll
them
take
go
the
to
alternative road
diversion
to
there.
go.
Beautiful. That madam, who is the madam? I like that.
Rekha.
Okay. You have given me an answer for my, it's called ACR. It's called ACR. This is my life principle. I'll give you this today. It's like I'm saying you gave me answer to the T. Accept, A stands for accept the unchangeable. You are in a hurry, you can't change him. You have to accept it. You give way because it's your life. If you dash against him, life will be miserable for you. So you will accept the unchangeable first time. Nobody can. Accept the unchangeable. Second, somebody said, Varadarajan said, he will go chase him and tell him that what he has done is wrong.
Moreover, first of all, I may just try to find out if there is any roadblock on the other side, whether they are forced to come here. What makes them to come here? That was one of the reasons we will do that.
Wonderful. That means
Next thing is get to the traffic offices. Get to the traffic office. I can warn them. I need the police or charge here to see that this is happening very frequently. So they have to be watched.
beautiful, beautiful. You have given me the exact point for the second answer. First is accept the unchangeable. Somebody will not do what Varadarajan does. He will accept it. He will move away for the because he doesn't have the patience to go and complain about it or change somebody's person. So he will move the way. He will allow that lorry to go and then he will push on in the normal course. That is the first accept the unchangeable for him. If it's what Varadarajan is saying is change the changeable. Change the changeable. Third, what Madam said, is it Rekha or who is it said? Rekha. Accept the unchangeable, change the changeable, remove yourself from the unacceptable. ACR. You will remove from that road itself now. You will take a different path hereafter. Don't now keep memory about this road, all that. In life, we have to do lot of decisions on ACR formula. Now remove your Varadarajan or anybody. Now remove the vehicle, car, or everything. Examples. All of us are in some way with our wife, with our spouse, with our children, with our friends. We do ACR on a regular basis. Accept the unchangeable, change the changeable, remove yourself from the unacceptable. For me, life mantra, if I say any decision for a peaceful, profitable progress, I repeat, peaceful, not profitable, peaceful, profitable progress in life, what I do is ACR. Accelerate, my accelerator is ACR. You can, after the program, I want you to see in your life how many occasions you are applying ACR. When somewhere you are not applying ACR, your life becomes emotional turmoil. I tell you, when you have to remove from that place, but you are staying there, it will be emotional turmoil, emotional imbalances. That's why we get into a lot of emotional imbalances. We also create emotional dramas because we are supposed to remove ourselves from that place. So, if we go through troubled times, just check what I am not accepting, which is unchangeable. or where I am not taking efforts to change the changeable, or why I am not removing myself from the unacceptable. Keep asking these three questions. I think life will become very, very beautiful. My life is my responsibility. No blaming is allowed is my mantra. And I practice because I got this into my DNA on a 90-day practice. You cannot, I will not hand over and say blame. You, because of you, I'm going through. I will not blame. No blaming is allowed in my life. If I have not taken decision at the right time for whether to accept change or remove, then I have to go through the emotional drama. So I'm going to give you the next mantra or whatever you call. It's called create. I mean, all I'm talking about is to show I am taking charge of my life. I am not expecting somebody to take charge of my life. That's all, very simple. I am exercising because I want to be healthy and not trouble my loved ones later on in life. Because when I am not taking care of my life, my health, I am not only troubling myself, I am troubling all my loved ones. They are going to sit outside the ICU room. I don't want to, so I am taking efforts to exercise, 11 kilometers every day walk, Surya Namaskaram, Pranayama, all that is very holistic approach is to take care of my loved ones because I love them most. I want to give myself healthy life with the right habit. I'm taking it. So all my actions which I do from the morning 4:30 till 11:30 is about me, my people around me, and my relationship with God. That is, I take care of myself, take care of my surroundings, I'm connecting with my divine. Without God in my talk anywhere, if I talk without divine force, I think it's empty talk for me. For me, I'm not a part-time devotee to a full-time God. I'm a full-time devotee to a full-time God. So it's without a spiritual connection, I will not able to speak any sentences. So maybe at 54 age of mine, it gives me that confidence to talk like this. The next mantra which I use it is called create, continue, cancel. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. I keep creating good thoughts, good friends. I keep creating thoughts. I keep creating good friends. I keep creating everything. I won't know whether it is good or bad, but I have to keep creating new things. Continue all the good things which has come out of the creation and cancel what is not good. Please use this formula for your business. If you are a businessman, do not look at can I take right decisions. No, you cannot take right decisions. You have to take decisions and make it right. Nobody can take right decisions. They have to take decisions and make it right. If you cannot make it right, that's a counter decision. Again, you have to take a counter decision, make it right. That's all. Life will be like this: decision, choice, consequence. Counter choice, counter consequence. That's the formula. You have to work on that formula of keep taking decisions. You can't take a right decisions. You have to make the decisions right. If you can't make the decisions right, make counter decisions and make it right. In chess, you make move. You won't make move in chess by what will happen. No, you confidence. You have to make a move and tell the other person, hey, whatever move you make, I have a counter choices, counter moves. You have to be that bold enough to say, if you checkmate me also, I will make the next game, I will win it. I have counter choices. That is the beauty of facing life. Don't face life, even the old age, even the aging. Don't face with, oh, I am 68. By the way you are saying, everybody will get tired. Hey, I am 68 years experience. You know, for wine, if it has to be old enough, if it age only, it gets value. Each one of you are valuable because your age is growing up. Every year you go in life, your experience goes up, your value goes up, your market value goes up. Per hour you are charging 2,000, it will be 3,000 rupees per hour. Every year you add it. So what I am saying is create, continue, cancel. Keep creating good friends. Do not, hey, bad friends will come. I will not add friends at all in my life. Don't be that way. Create connections. Create networks. Life is about networks. Can somebody guess me in my phone what is the number of contacts I will have? Just for sake of academic, in my contacts list, what will be the number of contacts I will have? Somebody can guess it, please. You will be near only. Don't worry.
1,000.
1,000. Correct. Next, somebody else.
Kumar, 5,000.
Okay. Somebody has said 5,000. Yes. He has higher valued me. Okay. Good. Good valuation.
I thought 50,000.
It is 12,438 as on today with 4,000 numbers to be entered.
650.
12,000 answer I have given. 12,438. Just with contacts in 55 countries. What I am doing, I am going on creating networks. I will know whom I have to block, who has to be cancelled in my list, who has to be continued in my list. You in all your audit, you do ABC analysis. A is the number 1, B is the number 2, C is the number 3 in values. Like that, in my contacts also, there will be who are very closer today, who can become a prospective closer 10 years down the line. I will have to do analysis, but I will create networks. If I create networks, any of you want to try my network, I give a challenge to you. Any problem you give me, which can be solved through a network, you come back to me, I'll solve it in next 10 minutes time. Because I tested this and started doing, now I'll come back to you. Create, continue, cancel. So I want you to create habits, check whether 21 days is the right habit, follow that right habits so keep creating good, whatever you can, continue the good ones, cancel the bad ones. With this, create, continue, cancel, and ACR, accept, change, and remove. With a peaceful, profitable progress, you can go ahead. Now, I will share with you why I am saying all this is because I also run a trust which I am socially responsible. I run 3 schools in Chennai and 1 school in Kadalur, adopted 111 girl children, 111 from the Ashok Nagar slum. I run a youth wing for cricket tournaments. We also do, our trust is Vedic Padasalas. We run Vedic Padasalas. So we take care of Vedic Padasalas. There are hundreds of things which we are doing it. All this because the air I breathe is accountability, integrity, and responsibility. Accountability, integrity, responsibility. Now, somebody asked me in a question. I will share the questions which in various workshops which I have done. I've done about 200 workshops in various schools on being a parent, how the joy of parent. Anybody knows this? Have you heard from me? I mean, you would have not heard. I'll tell you. My guru taught me very early when my daughter is 1 year old. What is the importance of being a parent? If you are a good father and mother to the children will pay rent later on. That's why you are a parent. If you are a good father and mother to your children, the children will pay rent. Selvakumar, doctor, note it, note it. Because if you are a good father and mother to children, I have not missed one progress report card of my daughter throughout pre-KG to 12th.
No, there is one change. They will pay rent for the old age homes.
No, that is the exceptions.
That is the situation nowadays.
No, I will have a separate discussion on why you have to. My life is my responsibility. Why you have to allow them to even put you in an old age home? You take responsibility.
That is right. But see, the
Don't
situation
depend on
is everywhere.
Don't depend on them.
Okay,
Yes, we are all. We will form our house and stay together.
Correct.
Why you call old age home? We will have friends home of our age. Okay, we will have a colony. If youth can have a experienced people can have a colony.
Correct.
So the street will be called as experienced colony. Okay. So if you are a good father and mother, children will pay rent later on in life.
They have already given the same senior citizen group for that. They have already given the other name for that.
No. I will call us highest IQ group. Highest IQ group. HIQ. Instead of HIG, it will call us HIQ. Highest intelligent quotient group. Okay. So anyway, for me, everywhere my responsibility. If you ask me any question will be, I will take charge of my life. I will not depend on somebody else. I will not blame somebody else. Very simple rules. So, in one of the session for MBA students, they asked me, this is a very important answer I'm going to give you. We have another 9 minutes time before we disperse for a prayer session. Every day, wherever I am there, 11 to 11:12 is my prayer time. Even board meeting stops for my prayer. I will not compromise on my connection with my divine. It's a very thumb rule. So many board meetings. We today at least handle about 400 companies. I'm a consultant for about like 3,000 individuals, all various things. So life has taken me to a very different level because basically passion with which I do, the energy with which I do everything. They do energy audit. I'm an energy man. Basically, they have to do audit on me, just to joke. So what I am saying is, in an interview, in a session, they asked me, sir, when you ask, they are asking about our strengths and weaknesses. How do I say that? In an interview, you ask, no, what is your strength and what is your weakness? Anybody has asked the question?
No, we have been asked and we are also asking. Because we have been in various positions from supervisor to general manager.
You ask what is your strength and what is your weakness. Correct, Surinana?
Yes.
Okay. This was asked by 400 students in a workshop. How do I answer in an interview? I prayed to my divine and said, give me an answer which will make everybody satisfied and everybody will look at their life in a different way. So in that process, it was recorded saying that I said like this. I'm the person who is applicant and you are the questioner and asking me what is your strength and weakness. So I said like this in the workshop. Sir, I have lots of strengths which I have written down in a pen which I cannot erase it. I have few weaknesses which I have written down in pencil. I will erase it as soon as possible without erasing my strength. This is my answer. Please listen to this answer, which can change in every. If you can write down your strengths in a paper and write down in a pen and write down your weakness in a pencil. After taking effort for 1 year, look at you would have erased all the weaknesses and without erasing the strengths. This is the success formula for me. So now I'm coming to the 6 things I do every day to succeed in my life. You all have, I'll tell you, I will share some of the links of my interviews or Google interviews in various universities, which is there in YouTube. Totally different aspects will cover whatever I have covered here. This is like a friendly interaction in doing it. I'm trying to, because most of you don't know who am I. And I will also, I don't know who I am. That's okay. That's a different mantra. As though I know everything about myself. No, I do not. Even I'm searching, who am I? Okay. I am saying, because I have scored 23 centuries, I will not be clapped today for the past centuries. You cannot clap for Virat Kohli's 23rd century today. So whatever I have done elsewhere, when I come to you who are all new, who don't know me, I will have tension. I like to connect with you more before even, because you don't know, you don't know my past records. What I'm doing every day, because this tongue cannot talk lie. I feel because of the divine words which is coming out of my, I have to be very careful in talking. One bad words come my mouth. You can't take a bad word from my mouth at all. I can guarantee you that. Please try. You provoke me anything. You provoke anything. If I ask you 1 crore now, you can't give me because you may not have in your pocket now. What you have only you can give to anybody. If I speak a bad word, I have bad word in my stock. I have bad word in my stomach, in my thought. So you cannot provoke me and get a bad word, because I am trying to empty my bad words from my mouth, from my thought itself. At thought level, I'm clearing. I am brushing my bottle inside, cleaning my bottle from inside every time. I can have this tea. If the outside is dirty, is okay, but inside cannot be dirty. I can't have it. So if I want my divine to stay inside with me, I have to purify inside. I can have an ugly shirt. That's no problem at all for me, provided my inside is clean. So there has to be truth, satyam. In my tongue, there has to be truth in it. What I preach, I should practice first. Otherwise, my word will become empty. It will be meaningless. So I have to first practice before even coming to this stage. How much of practice I have gone through? How much of sessions of practice I have gone through? Because I have to be truthful. This has to be God, divine words. So, what are the things I do on a daily basis? First is gratitude is my first mantra. I have written my gratitude letter to all my school teachers who changed my life. I have the copy of it. If anyone wants to see it. 2-page letter I have written to my school teachers after 28 years. I have sent my gratitude letter. You changed my life. The teacher is in Mangalore, Sharda Miss. I sent my courier with a sweet box. Another teacher is Alfie Miss. I delivered to her house in Purushavakkam. I sent gratitude letter to my auditor J.B. Balasubramanian. I sent letter to my first boss R.V.M.K. Prasad. I sent to my mentor P.S. Kumar Brahmaya and Company. I keep writing thanks letter, gratitude letter to all my people who changed my life in every walk of my path. Without gratitude, your life, even if you are 90, you have to think about who all have made you 90. Stay healthy. You are the best doctor who treated you. Send a letter, send a note. If possible, handwritten note. If not possible, message. Ideal is pen and paper. So gratitude, please, at whatever age you are in, we are expecting gratitude from our people, our youngsters. What is that I am now doing, paying gratitude to Sharda Miss here, to Alfie Miss here, I'm referring her name here. She may not come to know at all, but it makes my inner purification. I am blessed to tell her name. So, gratitude. Second mantra is appreciation. More and more you appreciate good things in life, the good things will come into your life. More and more you appreciate in life, the good things will come into your life. These two are when I get up in the morning, first is pay gratitude to my divine for giving one more day to the sun, to see the sunrise. I have not got up after sunrise in the last 30 years. I'm talking, if I have got up after sunrise, that means I was in hospital. That's all. No excuse for that. For me, sun is my father, mother, first father, mother. When they come to my house, that is, when they rise, I have to be awake to welcome them. So I have, even today, my getting up is 4:30, 4:45, 5 maximum, 5:30 maximum. So getting up before sunrise is my energy level. Sun comes and gives me energy. You all ask me I will ask where you get this energy. Jayaraman says 15 years before also I have the same energy. So my energy source is sun, vitamin energy E for me. So I get my lifestyle is 80 to 90% is already standardized. SOP has been written. Standard operating process is written. In between, I change according to the situation. That's all. But majority is repeated activities. You can't change the brushing. You can't keep on changing brushing method. You have to standardize it. Okay. So gratitude and meditation will be gratitude and appreciation will be the starting of my day. Throughout the day, I pay gratitude and appreciation. So whenever I go to hotel, watch me, you will all go doing it. Nothing, because I'm a speaker sitting here, I'm talking, I'm saying, it's not that you will not doing it. When I taste something good, I call the chef and give him 100 rupees immediately. Because when the things is not good, we make noise about how bad it is. First, we added karma, good karma, by appreciating people. So go, and I'll tell you, 1-2 times you do, pay 10 rupees to 100 rupees, anything to a chef for doing good. Whichever hotel you go, you get the good things in life. I guarantee you that. This is the way I have made my wife excellent cook. Secret of success. And if all your youth, Dr. Selvakumar, all that I'll tell you, one word changed my life, with my wife. You want to know, this is the NLP method, Neuro Linguistic Programming method. 1997, I applied this and it's got entire today life is happy because of that word. I will tell you the story, then you understand, you will catch the point.
I hope all husbands are listening.
Even though, I request wife to listen so that they can make the...
Including my husband.
I am a house husband, so it automatically comes.
Okay, good.
So, in 90s, see, I have the habit of not worried about current going, that power failure. So, at 10 o'clock, power fail, and my wife will get irritated and say, sitting and all that. She will wake up. Moment power goes up, I go to sleep. For me, without power, I can sleep any number, because my life without fan, AC in the road, in the this one, because from 18 to 23 of my age, I stayed in Puttaparthi as a volunteer in the sand without 3 o'clock cold water bath. All that training came. Hard training was given by Swami to me in from 18 to 23. So for me, power doesn't need at all. I mean, power is there inside me. So so I don't need power at all. So I go to sleep immediately. My wife will get irritated. How can somebody sleep peacefully? She will make my life miserable. Okay. I understood after the NLP class. I'll tell you the secret you follow, please. Moment the power fails, don't sleep immediately. You tell this word to her. I understand. How do you feel? Just keep your hand in your heart and say, I understand. How do you feel? She wanted empathetic word. That's all. Secret. Empathetic word. She will say, no, you sleep now. No. I think you have understood my pain. No. Okay, you can sleep. I got this mantra right in NLP class. Like every time, now she also says, I understand how you feel. We have a competition now in house. So, Uma, Sagar,
Yes,
I know you got the trick.
yes, we both got.
Oh, both of you are there, huh? No?
That's why I told.
I understand. How do you feel? This one word is enough. The problem is, when in some house, husband tried this. The wife was attended the NLP class before. She said, did you attend NLP class in your office today? Oh, I understand. So, for me, gratitude and appreciation is my mantra, successful mantra. The second mantra is, first is gratitude and appreciation go hand in hand. The second mantra is, I have not skipped a day of meditation and prayer in the last 11 years. I have not missed a day. It is not regularly, it is daily. Dinacharya is daily. When somebody says, I exercise regularly, that is weekly once. They exercise regularly. Okay, that is not, then you have to eat regularly only, not daily. I'll say, okay, you exercise regularly, weekly, you eat weekly. If anything which is good has to be daily practiced. So, for me, taking care of health is daily. Taking care of my office, my wealth is daily. Taking care of my exercise or whatever, meditation and prayer is daily. The third one, which I talked in the prayer hall, is introspection and improvement. Without introspection, you can never improve. What happens when you lie down, in the night, when you go, do a flashback and check what all I did right. What all you did right, give a pat to your shoulders. What all you did wrong or you missed doing right things, just note down and for an improvement tomorrow.
Sir, is it equal to Atmavalokana? Introspection, Atmavalokana.
Correct. You have to internally ask.
Yeah.
I will tell you, in one time, when the paste, I'm saying it happened 5-10 years back, I'm giving you. When I went to the bathroom for brushing the teeth, the paste was not there. I shouted, where is the paste? And the paste came. When I sat down in the night, I heard dog barking. Where is the paste? Dog barking. So I realized the mistake of barking. Now, either in the night itself I keep the paste is there or check it. Otherwise, when the paste is not, oh nice, I want to brush today without only paste. I will use brush only. Make a joyful note. Life become peaceful. Don't shout when you sit in the plate and water is not kept by your wife. Do not shout. Go and get up and get the water because it's an exercise. Do not have exercises in park or the road. So now let's. I can go on sharing all my experiences and all that. Nandakumar, can you share few things which you have heard before from me if you are online?
Yes, sir, of course. Very happy to share it. Yeah, actually, Mr. A.S. Kumar rightly started, like, don't judge him, actually, because that's something which is really an important message for everyone, because most of the time he talks about himself, and that doesn't mean that he wants to talk more about him. It is about he's conveying the message to the world. Of course, I have been associated with him for more than 2 years, and my life has changed to a different level actually. I cannot say how it is. And before A.S. Kumar sir, and the way how I got to connected to A.S. Kumar itself has a divine intervention, I would say, because I heard something about him on an occasion and I just connected, and it is like when I look at it now, it's like a pure and pure divine intervention really pushed me to him actually. And of course, I have almost every week I hear a speech, and there are plenty of learnings and implementations in my life. And not only me, the entire family of me is an extremely great fan of him. And I meet him almost every Monday. Of course, the last few months I didn't because of the COVID. And yes, whatever the points he has shared, this is only little actually. As he says, like if you allow him to talk for 10 hours, he will definitely do with the same energy actually. Of course, we will get tired and he will exactly continue the same phase and energy for another 10 hours also. And of course, he has so many things to share. And yes, actually, he has shared some points today. And even I attended today because every time we listen to his talk, we will get something. Because even though whatever he shared, and of course, I heard from him even last in couple of years more than 10 times, even today I have something new. Like the introspection, what he said, and even my guru and his guru is same actually. And I heard this several times, but today I heard little trigger. Okay, introspection. Okay, we need to do a little bit more correction, because as he says, while he used the pace, the walking. So it is giving a message to us that be conscious with whatever is happening the whole day. So you will try and recollect in the night, and of course try and do corrections with whatever the improvements that you could make for next day. And yes, the gratitude, I mean, whatever he does, I also learn from him and with my guru, of course, with my guru, and I am following it. And it's beautiful, really. I mean, the energy, what he says, I get a lot of energy from him, more and more when I go and hug him, and I get a lot of energy. Whenever I'm with him, I get a lot of energy. And of course, my entire family, whenever we go there, we get some energy and so much of positiveness, actually. That's what I've seen. And I mean, the positivity is, I mean, I can say that now it is very difficult to understand also like what I mean here, because that's purely an experience. And I'm sure I really request, if you get a chance, you please visit him once actually. I mean, he's not like a Swami. I'm not projecting like that. He is a man and with plenty of energy and positivity. And I really request, I'm just sharing with my experience and what I have undergone. And I really request one time, if you get a chance, happen to cross Ashok Nagar at any time, you don't need to even call, just go there and stand. I'm sure you'll be having a warm welcome and you will have a wonderful time in this office actually, because I have been enjoying it for last couple of years. Thank you, Kumar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This was not a planned one. I have not arranged it. It happened coincidentally. So because I did not share this link to anybody. If I share, I know another 100 people will be there. But I will lose the connectivity with a new group. So I felt those who Nanda Kumar took the responsibility of his life is responsibility. So he asked the link. So I gave the link to him. How he came to know that there is a workshop here is, I asked him, what is the point you have taken from me in the last 2 years? So I want to know from a feedback. 3-4 people I asked them to send me what they have taken from me in the last 2 years. So he was the only one who said, are you doing a workshop? I want to join. So he took the responsibility to ask me and take the link. I have not given to anybody because I decided this time I will connect with Parameshwar and his friends only. So I resisted, because otherwise I know from Hyderabad, from US, from somebody, they will ask the same. They will ask, they will be there fully in the screen. Then Jayaraman, Selvakumar, Srinivasan, Vararajan, Uma, Suryanarayan, all that I will miss them. So I felt like I wanted to, and Nanda Kumar asked it. I said he deserves to be with me here.
Sir, one small second. Sir, actually, I just want to say, this is also on a purpose, actually. I mean, it is not me asked. It is something the divine intervention pushed me to ask that and got the link. And I found myself unique here, that is little odd man out of the entire crowd, right? Because of course, His Kumar has plenty of connections and I got a chance to be in this moment. And it is 200% is a divine intervention again. I just purely believe that. That's what I really experienced it. It is not me. It is somebody else. The third energy really forced me to be here. And for you also, I believe it is on a purpose that we are here at this very moment. I am sure you will connect these dots in another 1 year or 2 years. You will realize 200% that day, that moment, I got this message. Because of this, I'm here. After 1 or 2 years, I'm sure you will realize.
We can connect dots later on. We can connect dots.
I would like to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Today's topic, my life, my responsibility, is really apt today to people like us, the senior citizens. I would like to know, is there any shortcut to this?
To what? Shortcuts to what?
Shortcut to this, achieving the goal of my life, my responsibility.
See, I will give the shortcuts. Like if I give you, like for example, something I'll tell you. There was Chinese tag for virus somebody gave me. 200 rupees they charge. I kept it somewhere. You wear this, the virus cannot come to you. It's a faith. It's a faith.
Fake, yes.
Okay. நம்ம அந்த கால வாட் வி டிட் தாயத்து கட்டணும் தெரியுமா? மஞ்சள் தாயத்து இதெல்லாமே அதாவது டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் அஸ். ஓகே. See, it's like this, Jayaraman. Shortcuts you will discover after some time. I have found a lot of shortcuts. For example, when you have started doing arithmetic algebra problems, you will start doing in the normal step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 for some time in life. After some time, you will get the answer very fast. You will not know how you got it. That trick, that click of shortcuts will come to you after you start doing by step process. For example, for the child who is there, the Dr. Selvakumar will teach 7 into 7, 49 by memorize. 1 sevens are like that. But I can tell you 7 into 7 is 49 by this method. This finger 7 and 7 into 7, 7 into 7, 4, 9. This is 4, 2 plus 2, 4. 3 into 3 is 9, 49. With fingers, all the tables can be made. Whether you go to a book called Childcraft, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 9, 4, 49, answer. This shortcut is there for all the numbers, all the multiplication tables. However, very few only have understood the shortcuts of life. Everybody wants to do hard work, not smart work. I learned this smart work from Lord Muruga. When he was asked to, Lord Ganesha, when you are asked to go around the world, Ganesha said, I will go around father, mother and take the mango. That is called shortcut for life. Amma apava suthina palam kadachirum. So my shortcut for everything is, even if your parents are not there with you, think of your parents and shed one drop of tear. Even if they are with you, hug them. If they are not with you, shed 1 drop of tears, 2 drop of tears. I think you will get your life successful. Shedding positive tears for everything in life is the very successful formula. If anybody of us don't know how to shed positive tears, I think we have lost the trick of shortcut to success. I want you to close your eyes and think of one instant about your parents or your brother which made you so emotional and shed two drop of tears. I think your life, you can realize life very easily. Jayaraman, you triggered one more thought to me. I want to share with you. One more formulas. We take a lot of time to understand mathematics, algebra, very difficulty, or even if it is a commerce, accounts, everything. After some time, you won't need that much of hours to understand anything. You go into calculus very easily, trigonometry very easily, because the foundation was very strong. So my life is, my responsibility is, when the foundation is strong, after that you only do shortcuts. You don't do long method of research, anything. You get the trick of the trade, the click in your life faster. Initial foundation is necessary for everything. For a building needed, for your mind it is needed, for anything is needed. So with Jayaraman's question, I can say that create enough foundation for children, for you, for everybody. After that, it's a matter of seconds. You do it. Like for example, Surya Namaskaram, I found it very difficult initial stages. Today, I will tell you, Surya Namaskaram is at any age, if you are otherwise okay, easiest thing to do and best thing to do. There's a shortcut to it. You can understand. It's only attitude. It's only attitude. If you think it is difficult, it is difficult. If you think it is easy, it will be easy. And if you are with Surya Namaskaram is a shortcut method for many things in health, for health. For my life, my responsibility, I will tell you, help one person a day at least say gratitude to one person at least, appreciate one person at least. That's the way you take charge of your life in full control. You will not blame anybody after that. Next question, please.
Thank you, Kumar.